Good morning, student. Yesterday we have seen how to balance the chemical equation. So, how to balance the chemical equation? Why should be the balancing of the chemical equation is to be followed? The balancing of the chemical equation is very essential because of law of conservation of mass. Since the mass of the reactant is equal to mass of the product, that's why the number of atoms of an element present in the reactant must be equal to the number of atoms of the element present in the product. Okay, so that's why there is need to balance the chemical equation. Now, how to balance the chemical equation? Chemical equation को आप कैसे balance करेंगे? उसको balance करने के लिए आपको क्या करना है? First, write the chemical equation using symbols of the compounds that is involved in reactant as well as product. Then you have to make boxes around each formula. Then do not alter anything inside the boxes. Okay. Then in step 2, what you do, you write a serial number, then write elements present in the reactant and product, then write a number of atoms present on the left hand side, number of atoms present on the right hand side, and find how to balance the atoms of the element on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So you have to do it many times so that finally you will get the balanced chemical equation. After getting the balanced chemical equation, what we should do? We have to write the state of the reactant and product. Why state of the reactant and products are essential? Because if it is a gas, we need an arrangement to store the gas. Okay. For example, in your home, LPG gas is stored in the cylinder. It cannot be stored in the glass. It cannot be stored in a plate. Okay, we require specific arrangement for storing that LPG cylinder. That's why we should have the knowledge of state also. Okay, if it is liquid, it is to be stored in a certain vessel. If it is a gas, it is to be stored in different vessel. If it is solid, it is to be stored in different vessel. That's why we have to indicate the state of the reactant and product. Okay. Then on the arrow, we have to indicate the condition also. Under which condition this reaction can be taken place. This conditional is also to be indicated on the arrow. For example, the preparation of methanol. Methanol, ethanol, propanol, these are what? Alcohols. And liquor is what? Ethanol. Now we are talking about methanol. अगर methanol को ऑक्सीडेशन किया जाए तो क्या मिलता है बोलो? एसिटिक एसिड. तो कोलिन जो हमारा ग्लास क्लियर करने का लिक्विड है, उस लिक्विड के अंदर क्या होता है बोलो? एसिटिक एसिड होता है. तो इसका हम अगर ऑक्सीडेशन कर लेते तो क्या बनेगा? इथेनॉल बनेगा, एसिटिक एसिड बनेगा. दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड सच कंपाउंड. Lot of chemical applications are there where you need the compound like methanol. Okay, so what we should do? हमें क्या करना है? We have to take carbon monoxide gas and hydrogen gas. This carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas we have to fill in a vessel so that its pressure will be 340 times than the atmospheric pressure. Now we are expiring, we are taking in air and we are expelling out the air. So this taking in and expelling out of the air is at 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay, so how much pressure we should maintain here? It should be 340 times larger than the normal atmospheric pressure. Where pressurized air is used? In vehicles tire and tube, we fill the air with pressure. Likewise, the pressure should be here 340 atmospheric pressure, and at that pressure, carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas will react to produce what? Methanol, CH3OH. Okay, this is the first member of the alcohol series. Okay, so we have indicated the pressure. If pressure is not there, even though hydrogen and carbon monoxide is present, they will not react. Okay, that's why we have to indicate the pressure over here. Then photosynthesis reaction. We are getting food and oxygen from trees. In that sense, trees are what for us? We are taking food and oxygen. Any animal on the earth is getting food and oxygen by what? By photosynthetic reaction performed by whom? Plants. And that's why we must plant more and more trees around us. Okay, so what happens in the photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide is taken in through the stomata of the leaves. Okay, this carbon dioxide taken in and water from the roots. From the soil, water is absorbed by the plant, and then through the xylem tissue it reaches up to the leaves. When it reaches up to the leaves, it is in liquid state. So this water and carbon dioxide from air, which will dissolve later on with this water, and both will react, but they will not react in normal condition. They will be reacting in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. So to occur this reaction, these two conditions are essential: sunlight as well as chlorophyll. Both are to be present there, so that these two will react, and what will produce? C6H12O6, that is glucose. So this energy from sunlight will be captured in the glucose. Further, glucose cannot be stored for longer time, so it is converted into starch. Then in some plant it is converted into fats. Then it is converted into proteins. So under several cycles, these are converted into different foods. So we are getting three prime foods. That is what? Carbohydrates, protein and fats. So this is what a starting matter of the food preparation process, that is glucose. Then oxygen is given out as waste. This oxygen is released in the atmosphere. Then water is released over there, that will be evaporated through stomata and lenticels of the stem, so that the atmosphere will be cooled. So one tree will provide us food, will provide us oxygen, which will make us energetic, and water vapor evaporated around the surrounding will lower the temperature. At least 2 to 3 degree temperature is less where dense forest is found. Means in the May month, if Chandrapur is having temperature of 48 degree, Tadoba forest will have temperature of 45-46 degree. And because of water vapor evaporation, the cooling will be there, comfort will be there in the deep forest. So this is an important process called as photosynthesis. Okay, so photosynthesis, if even you write the reaction, what will happen? You have to write the condition. Which condition is there? Presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Have you understood? So these are the two reactions, which are the examples that we should indicate the condition over the arrow. Otherwise, these two reactions will not take place. Okay. So this way, writing the condition over the reaction is very essential for some chemical reactions. Okay. Have you understood? Good. So please like my channel, share it to your friends, and hit the bell icon. My channel is Koti Science Academy. Are you understanding? So watch all the online classes in the sequence every day. So today is the 6th lecture of this first chapter. So you should watch from 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and then go to the 5th. Every day you repeat from 1st, so that everything will be remembered by you and perform the homework. So give me an example of the reactions where conditions should be written on the arrows. These are the two equal reactions which are indicating that condition must be indicated on the arrow. Okay, bye students.